Today I'm sharing my experience with the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey OLED monitor. Before I start, I want to tell you, I've added the Amazon link in the description. That's the same place I purchased it from. And if you want to check the latest price or any running discount, make sure you visit that link first. It's the safest place to get the genuine product. Now, talking about the actual experience, this monitor feels like entering a different world. The moment it turns on, the QD OLED panel hits you with extremely rich colors and perfect deep blacks. Watching movies or even normal videos feels premium, almost like a theater stretched across your desk. The picture quality genuinely looks alive, and the curved ultra-wide design wraps the entire view around you. For productivity, this 49-inch screen is a game changer. You basically get the space of two monitors without any bezels in the middle. I can keep my browser, editing software, and extra windows open side by side with zero clutter. If you work with timelines, photos, or multiple tabs, the extra width makes everything smoother and faster. The clarity of text and the overall sharpness make long sessions comfortable. Now let's talk about gaming, and honestly, this is where the experience becomes next level. The immersion is insane. Because of the huge curve width, it fills your entire field of vision. Racing games, open world titles, shooters, everything feels more realistic. The gameplay is extremely smooth, and fast movements stay crisp without blur. Dark scenes finally look truly dark with bright highlights that pop out beautifully. Once you game on this, normal flat monitors feel boring. The height adjustable stand and build quality also add to the premium feel, and even long hours of gaming or work don't feel harsh on the eyes. Overall, if you want one monitor that can replace everything, your gaming monitor, your productivity setup, and even your entertainment screen, this Samsung Odyssey OLED is absolutely worth it. Again, the Amazon link is in the description. Check the price and offers there because it fluctuates a lot. From picture quality to immersion to day-to-day work, this monitor genuinely feels like a complete upgrade. Highly recommended if you want a premium ultra-wide experience.